l'adjectif relationnel. Okay, so we continue this long series covering les adjectifs, but I think it's quite useful, and it's maybe better to make some little videos like that covering only one type of adjective. Okay, so in this video it will be l'adjectif relationnel. Okay, so let's start now. So l'adjectif relationnel, I thought it might be useful to just start with examples. Okay, so you've got the first one. Here you've got a sentence, un déplacement du président. Okay, so it will be, I mean, it's possible to use that, un déplacement du président, but what if you would like to replace du président and put an adjective instead? And that's exactly what we're talking about when we're talking about l'adjectif relationnel. Okay, so un déplacement du président, you don't want to use du président, well, you just put the adjective présidentiel. So you get un déplacement présidentiel. All right? Another example would be un député de la République. And in that case, it's exactly the same. It's possible to use that, un député de la République, but then if you want to use, instead of de la République, an adjective, so un adjectif relationnel, it is possible you will get un député and then républicain, so the adjective. Okay, so in these cases, it's actually quite clear and not that difficult because you just replace du président with présidentiel, or then de la République with républicain. Okay, so we'll see another, the translation first. Okay, so we'll see now two other situations where you can replace, parts. In that case, un ordinateur qu'on peut porter. Okay, so you've got here this relatif, so qu'on peut porter. And in that case, you just want to, replace this qu'on peut porter with an adjective. And it's actually quite simple because in that case, qu'on peut porter, you take porter and then you transform it and you put the adjective, so it will be portable. Un ordinateur portable. Okay, so basically, un ordinateur qu'on peut porter, a computer that one can carry, okay, but then of course it's a bit heavy, and in that case you would like to have something lighter than qu'on peut porter, it just put the adjective portable. Un ordinateur portable. Okay, so we'll see another example, un écran qu'on peut toucher. And in that case, it's exactly the same. We don't want to use qu'on peut toucher because it's quite heavy and the sentence is not that light as we would like it to be. So we will put tactile, so the adjective that will replace this qu'on peut porter. So un écran tactile. Okay, so let's see the translations now. Okay, so keep in mind that as we had previously, or then here, you've got some parts that are possible to keep if you want. Okay, so un ordinateur qu'on peut porter, it's totally correct. Un écran qu'on peut toucher, it's correct also, but then you want to have it, to put it in such a way that it will be only one adjective instead of all these words, then portable, un ordinateur portable, and un écran tactile. Okay, so keep in mind that when we're talking about l'adjectif relationnel, it must be of course related en relation avec le nom, and then as we saw in the first part, it can be complément de nom, or in the second part it can be une relative.